Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get bouncy color match filter on TikTok. Okay, this is an interesting game filter. So I'm talking about this one. Yeah, I'm talking about this filter. It's an interesting game. To get this effect on TikTok, what you can do, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, in your trending section, look for this image. It's in my favorite. You should look for this image in your trending section. Okay, suppose you are not finding the filter in your trending section, then what you can do, just go to search and search for bouncy color match. Okay, the first one with 9867 videos, tap on it. Okay, you got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery or from the search, what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for bouncy color match filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect name. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this in search, what you can do, you can tap on any of this video. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there. It's in yellow, bouncy color match. Just tap there. Okay, you are in the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, you got the filter. To play the filter, what you can do, just tap on the record button, and obviously you have to match the color, so stay tuned. So try to get more score. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.